Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the headache of complicated wiring? The Scosche wiring harness connects directly to your factory stereo harness, making aftermarket stereo installation smoother than ever. No cutting, no guesswork, just a clean, direct connection designed to fit perfectly with your vehicle's existing setup. For over 40 years, Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories, known for quality and reliability. Their wiring harnesses feature factory-quality wires and connectors, all color-coded to the EIA industry standard. This means you can install your new stereo with confidence, knowing each wire matches exactly what you need for a hassle-free setup. Unlike other adapters, this harness is built without compromising your vehicle's wiring. It's not compatible with factory amplified systems, but for most standard setups, it ensures a seamless integration without cutting or splicing factory wires. That's a big plus if you want to preserve your car's original wiring integrity. What really sets Scosche apart is their commitment to customer support. When you buy their installation accessories, you get lifetime tech support. Their knowledgeable team is ready to help with any questions, no matter how long you've owned the product. Plus, every harness comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind about your purchase. One satisfied customer shared how much easier the installation became with this harness. The wiring code was clearly explained, the copper wires were the right gauge, and helpful customer service was just a phone call away. While they wished for included wiring nuts, the overall experience was smooth and reliable, especially compared to generic connectors. If you want to avoid the frustration of cutting and guessing wires during your aftermarket stereo upgrade, this Scosche wiring harness is worth a look. It's designed to save time and reduce errors, helping you get your new stereo up and running quickly. Ready to make your car stereo upgrade straightforward and stress-free? Try the Scosche wiring harness when you're ready to install. It's a practical solution that respects your vehicle's wiring while delivering the quality and support you deserve.